God. The life of a hiker. Drive 2.5 hours and it's absolutely ripping it down. Now to all the keyboard Karens out there, I know it's going to rain and I know it's Storm Amy, but I wanted to come out anyway, so it is what it is. But yeah, it's absolutely ripping it down. Need to try and get my boots on. You know it's bad when you're trying to get your on in the car. I don't even want to go out there and put my boots on. Anyway, you don't need to watch me get my boots on. Let's cut to when I'm outside in the rain. Right then, let's get going. I'm starting to regret my life choices. My God, it is hammering it down. The GoPro probably isn't picking it up as much because it's quite faint. Yeah, the first couple 100 metres is just a boring path, but I've entered the woodland now. Yeah, I forgot this waterfall, how much of a boring dirt really. Years since I've been here, so hopefully yeah man. Storm Amy is definitely roaring. Just having a look at the map to make sure I'm not going off course. So, still on course. Yeah, I come here 2 years ago and I come with my friend, she showed me, so I followed her. And when she brought us here, she brought us through a woodland area, which is all of that, and honestly it's stunning. Unfortunately today I've downloaded a map from All Trails, which is All Trails is great, used them for years, but unfortunately it's brought me up a boring way, which is just a dirt track, really quick because I think we're close. So yeah, really good if you wanted to get up here quick. Not very picturesque. If you're ever to come and do this waterfall, I'd recommend coming through the woodland bit. It is what it is. It's my second time here. Live and learn. If I come again in the future, I will definitely be going through the woodland area without a doubt. But yeah, I am wetter than an otter's pocket, mate. Oh yeah. God, this jacket is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'm roasting. It's so cold. Yeah, it's so cold, but I am absolutely roasting. Oh, you absolute. Oh. Up and round, lad, up and round. Yeah, if you do ever come here, make sure you wear some good big boots, because holy it's boggy. Oh. I'm going to sink in something in a minute, I can see it. Boy. Oh. 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 Well, if I remember right, I think we got that slate bit and then you walk over and it's just there. I can hear a waterfall. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. Found the Here we go. Oh. Well, I've just got to get down to it now on all this slippy place.